SharpSpring by default gives you a number of different fonts to play with in order to create your landing pages. But like many businesses, you've probably got your own font. And if one of those is a Google font, then you can add them to landing pages on SharpSpring. To do so, you need to head into the code and then into the head. And this is where we're going to place our code for our Google font. Now, to get your Google font, just head on over to fonts.google.com, and then you can search for whatever font it is you use. I use Open Sans. We select that and then select the style font that you are after. In this instance, we'll just go with the one at the top. And then you need to head to Embed and then Import. And then the first bit you need to do is copy the bit at the top here and then paste that into the head tag of your landing page. Now you need to designate it to the appropriate paragraph or heading. So you'll have heading 1, 2, 3, 4, then you'll have paragraph. Now some of you will have a certain font for the paragraph and a certain font for the head tag or the heading. And that's absolutely fine, you can do both. But first off, let's just designate our header 1. So to do that, go back to fonts.google.com, and then you need to copy and paste the second part here, the CSS rules. And we're going to stick that in there, but then you do need to say what it's for. To do that, we're going to say H1. So header 1 tag. And that will look something like that. If you save and close, you'll then notice that the font for our header 1 tag here has changed. Now to apply a different font to say the paragraph or the various other header tags, then simply head back into the code and do exactly the same thing again. But to do so, we need to do it on a new line. Let's go back in here, let's choose a separate font. Same thing again, we'll go with that. Embed and then import. Copy the first section. Paste that in there. And then let's say we want our paragraph to be this font. And save and close there. Then you'll notice here now that the paragraph font has changed to the new font whilst retaining our header 1 as Open Sans.